Hello everyone, how are you guys? Good to see you all through this video. So if you guys not have subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like my videos. So as I said in my last video, I'll be not continuing the episode today, so this gonna be a fresh video. So I'm gonna give you a bit of introduction to WordPress. So what are the benefits of WordPress, and job opportunities available for WordPress developers, and at last what are the pay scale for WordPress developers. So please don't skip each session, so watch until last and see what are the pay scale for WordPress developers and why are they getting that pay scales. So without any further delay, let's jump into the session. So before we jump into the WordPress benefits, let's begin with a small introduction to WordPress. So WordPress is a content management system. It used worldwide. So most of the websites are running in WordPress. So like 70% of WordPress websites are currently running through in worldwide. So it has a powerful UI and it has like accessible to every user. So from like beginner users even, so they can try to build a WordPress website. So that's gonna be a small introduction to the WordPress. Alright guys, so now let's explore some of the key benefits using WordPress. So first one is gonna be the accessibility and ease of use. So this means, so it has a friendly UI, so every users can easily just navigate and create a easy website on WordPress. So like the developers no need advanced coding skills, so beginners too can develop the WordPress website easily within like 15 to 30 minutes, just a blog site with about one page. So it's very easy and it has more accessibility. So that's the first benefits. And second one is going to be the customization and flexibility. So this means, so this has extensive customization options, like it has numerous plugins, themes, so developers can download and they can use for their own website. Like if you are going to be a blogger or e-commerce or a business owner, so they even can start like download a theme and they even can start a WordPress website so easily. So it has more customization and it has more flexibility as well. And the third one is SEO friendly. So the WordPress come with a built-in SEO feature. So and there are some plugins as well, so like Yoast, rank math, so they can, like developers can use those your plugins and build some SEO features as well, like to add some canonical tags, meta titles, meta tags. So this can be done through that SEO plugin. So this will give you like a boost to like Google to review your site and boost it up on the Google ranking. So last one is going to be the active community support. So WordPress community is like very active and supportive as well, like more developers and designers are like they're like asking questions and giving some answers enthusiastically. So you can find like more forums, documentations, and like seek assistance with the plugin developers or the theme developers. So you can stay updated with the latest trends and best practices as well through this community support. Now let's see some of the job opportunities for WordPress. So first one is WordPress developer, so we can say as web developer as well. So web developer specializes in WordPress, so this require a coding skill as well. So coding skill, SEO skills, and UI UX skill, design skills. So this require multi skills that this job requires. So it's like a full stack developer. So and next one is going to be a theme and plugin developer. So this job as requires coding skill as well. So as long as we use WordPress, this job will be available. So this means, so theme and plugin development means, so designing a theme or plugins and like putting it into a like a external website for purchase. So any users can purchase the WordPress theme and plugins, so they can use for their own users. So that's under the theme and plugin development. The third one is content developer. So this job requires some patience as well. So this means so uploading the contents, images for the websites through the WordPress backend. So still I know there are like a couple of my friends working as a content developer in Australia, so and Sri Lanka as well. Yes, so still there are some job opportunities as well for the content developer. So yes. Alright, now let's move to the last point of this video. So that is the pay scale for the WordPress developer. So normally in Sri Lanka, the WordPress developers, so if there's beginners, they get around like 35,000. So if they have more than like 5 years of experience or 6 years of experience, they get around like 400k to 500k of Sri Lankan rupees. And in Europe they get around like monthly like 3,000 euros to 6,000 or maybe 7,000 euros. So and in America they get around like same as Europe, so they also get around like 3,000 USD, like maybe like 3,000 to like 6,000 or 10,000 USD in America. So it's still based on their experience and their skills they have on WordPress. Alright guys, so let's wrap up this episode. So far we have seen the benefits of WordPress, pay scale and job opportunities for WordPress. So please gain some experience, learn some skills in WordPress. Alright, so if you do have some questions, please comment below. I will answer your question on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Alright, so let's see you guys on my next video.